The centralisation of major service functions at hospitals, for example central sterile services departments, laboratories and warehouses, requires a more detailed overview of the many service personnel and transport tasks, regardless of whether the task is part of the regular services or is an ad hoc transport requirement. Columna Service Logistics consists of a number of applications which individually and as a whole support operations and services at the hospital. Now we will see how the task management and transport management applications help to locate and deal with the many items that must be moved between different hospitals. Cancellations and changes are part of the working day at a hospital. In our example, an operation that had been planned for later in the day has been cancelled. The nurse sees this on the information screen. Another type of operation will now take place instead, and this means that other sterilised surgical instruments must be ordered from the Central Sterile Services Department. The nurse orders the sterile surgical instruments using her IT system and indicates that it is an ad hoc transport requirement to ensure that the instruments reach the operating theatre on time. The Central Sterile Services Department is based at another hospital because it is more efficient to sterilise equipment at a single location. There are many orders from several hospitals, which means the logistics of managing the different transports to and from the hospitals is complicated. It is important that the equipment is handled precisely so errors do not occur, and that all of the deliveries reach their destinations on time, all the way to the individual departments. This is where Columna Service Logistics comes in. When the Sterile Services Department personnel have packed a sterile trolley, they create a transport order and scan the barcode on the trolley. This generates an internal transport task, which shows that the trolley must be brought to the collection point. An orderly or an automatic guided vehicle, AGV, will then collect the sterile trolley in the sterile room and take it to the collection point. The system automatically registers that the trolley is ready to be collected, and the coordinator at the Central Transport Department is automatically informed. Looking at the transport specification, the coordinator can see that it is an ad hoc transport. When checking the map, he finds the closest available driver for the task. The driver receives the task on his smartphone. Transport management shows the driver where the sterile trolley is to be collected and when it is to be delivered to the other hospital. When the driver arrives at the collection point, he ensures the sterile trolley he is collecting is the correct one by scanning the trolley before he loads it onto the van. Transport management can track the sterile trolley so everyone knows if the delivery is on schedule. When the driver arrives at the hospital, he delivers the trolley to the equipment delivery point. To ensure the trolley has been correctly delivered, it is scanned once more. This means that staff can use transport management to check that the sterile trolley has been delivered. A message is automatically generated in the task management application showing that the sterile trolley is ready to be delivered to the operating theatre. Task management immediately displays the task on all the orderlies' smartphones, ensuring the nearest available orderly can carry out the task. The orderly plans the delivery in relation to his other tasks, goes to the equipment delivery point, and collects the sterile trolley. The nurse looks in task management and sees that an orderly is dealing with the task. The operation can go ahead as planned. The continuous tracking of items and transports means that the hospital is better able to manage and plan tasks optimally. Columna Service Logistics delivers real-time overview of all transports, optimal resource management, improved service quality and greater patient safety. To learn more about Columna Service Logistics, contact us or visit systematic.com/service logistics.